Greetings, alchemists. In this guide, I will show you how to navigate Dexscreener to find tokens, charts, and much more. Here we see the start page and can get information about the prices of tokens, how many that have bought and sold, how big volume that has been created during a specific time period, and how old they are. We can also see how much liquidity and what the market cap currently is. I will explain more about liquidity a bit later. To find a reliable project, click Filter and type at least 10,000 US dollars in liquidity. There are other indicators you can use as well to search for tokens. Click on top to find the tokens with the highest volume. You can change to a different timeline as well for another time perspective. Click on Trending to see the tokens that are popular right now. To find new tokens, click on New Pairs and the newest. In the top, there is a bar with different chains. Choose one to view tokens on the chain. When a token is newly created, there is a great opportunity to find one that will increase in value since we can buy early. If you join the Telegram group, you will see what tokens we buy. Now let's take a look at a token. To access a token, simply press the link just as I have done. Here we see the chart. Simply drag it with a mouse to your desired view and adjust the right handbar to make it smaller or bigger. Before investing in a token, it is recommended to view from a different time perspective to get a bigger or smaller picture. Click the timeline tabs in the top to do so. To adjust to view market cap, instead of the price, simply click market cap in the top. Click on the ruler in the left menu to match is the tool to measure any increase or decrease in the price. An increase with 100% means that the price have doubled. On the top right-hand corner, we see the name of the token and the address. To copy it, simply press Copy. The fire icon indicates that the token is trending on Dexscreener. It will then show up on the trending list, which is placed above the chart. The team have paid money for this, so it is a good indicator that the team is devoted. Press the fire icon in the trending menu. This will display the trending tokens. This is a good opportunity to find a token that will increase in value because it is visible to a wider range of investors. In the top right-hand corner, we see an icon that says Ads. It means that the team have paid to run ads on Dexscreener. This is a good sign that the team is devoted and that the token is visible to many more people. The token should ideally have a profile picture with their social links underneath it. Click the website next to see if they work and if the team is active. Join the Telegram group to get behind-the-scene information. Here we see the price and the market cap of the token. We can also see the fully diluted value. It should match. Token unlocks are primarily on higher market cap tokens. Here we see the about the liquidity. It should look like this, a lock with a complete circle around it. The total liquidity locked should be around 100%, the burn liquidity the same. Then it's safer to invest because the team have put money that can't be taken out into the token. Here we see the price changes for a specific time period. Click the period to see specifics. TXNS means transactions and it shows many buys and sells that have been made. The volume is the amount of money spent to buy and sell. Makers stand for the number of unique wallets that have made a transaction. In the right-hand box, we see more specific information. To add the token to a watch list or create an alert, click here. I will show you how to do it later. To trade the token, simply click on the arrow besides the text that says Radium. I will show you how to trade in another guide. Here we see when the token was created, and to copy the right address, click the address after the token's name. Here we some basic security info. There are other tools to use to not get scammed, which you can find in the Crypto Alchemy group. For these two, it should say no, because you might not be able to sell the token later on, get scammed. Here the community have voted on how they view the token. The red flag is bad and the rocket is good. Further down we find some basic information. Now let's look at the bottom tab. Here we see all the transactions that are being made, both the value in crypto and in US dollar. Hover the mouse over a wallet to see the amount that wallet have bought and sold for. We can also see the profits or losses. To get more information about a wallet, click the arrow under TXN. Look for the name signer and copy the address to get more information. I will show you how to get more information in another guide. Now let's look at the top traders. Here we can see for what amount they bought and sold for. We can also see the profit they made. Under unrealized, we see if they still hold any tokens. If the wallet have not bought any tokens, that could indicate that it was on the founders of the token or someone who bought a large sum and split it to other wallets, but there can be other reasons. These wallets could potentially be profitable to copy trade. Now let's look at the holder. The number on the top is the total amount of holders of the token. In the list, we see what percentage wallets hold of the token. Ideally, no wallet should hold any more than a few percent. The icon with the house displayed indicates that it is the liquidity pool. This cannot be bought and sold. Now let me show you how to see when a wallet bought and sold. Click Transaction and then the icon under Maker. On the chart, we can see the specifics. Hover the mouse over the icons to get even more information. Now let's take a look at a token on the Ethereum chain. What I want to show you is the security information on the Ethereum chain. We get more information that you need to know about so you don't get scammed. Scroll down and click the menu. The buy and sell tax should ideally be at 0. If it has low numbers, for example under 1%, then it's okay. A tax modifiable should say no unless it is a trusted project or a very newly launched token. When we snipe, there are other things to consider, which I will show in another guide. Ownership pronounced should say yes. Hidden owners should say no. Open source should say yes. Honeypot and proxy contract should say no. Minimal should say no. Transfer pausable and trading cooldown should say no. If it is a trusted token, it can say yes. Owner can change balance should say no. Now let's log in to use some extra features. Simply click Sign In and connect with any of the displayed wallets, or with the other options available. Follow the instruction from Dexscreener on how to log in. Now let's create a watch list. To start, simply click Watch List in the menu to the left. Since it's empty, let's find a token to add. To find tokens, simply press the top left-hand corner and search for a token. You can use the name or the token address. Make sure that is the right one. You can use coinmarketcap.com for high market cap tokens to make sure that you have the right address. Now click the button Watch List and add to the desired watch list. To create and manage lists, go back to Watch List. You can also access and manage your watch list in the bottom left corner. To create an alert, press the Alert button, and then you can choose different indicators. Market cap is an easy one to use. Choose to be notified when the price goes over or under a certain number. Then type the desired market cap that you wish to be notified about when the price of the token goes over or under. Optionally, you can write a personal note. Setting an alert is a great way to find a good entry point or to use to know when to sell a token. Make sure to have notifications turned on for your computer. The notification will then simply show up by itself. Press Create Alert, and to edit, press the pin symbol, and to disable it, press the trash bin. To keep track of your tokens, we head over to the portfolio. Here you can add your own wallets or other wallets you wish to monitor. Click Portfolio. Click the button to add your own wallet. Choose a name for your wallet to easier keep track and click Add Wallet. Then your tokens will be displayed here. Click the button Add Wallet to add more wallets. Now let's head over to Multi-Chart. Click Multi-Charts to the left in the menu. You can add your own tokens. Here I will show you some already suggested charts. In the menu on the top, it is possible to adjust the settings for the charts. This makes it easier to keep track of token when sniping, or to just keep track. Now let's head over to Moonshot. Click Moonshot in the menu to the left. Moonshot is a platform where tokens are launched in a fair way. Connect your wallet in the top right-hand corner to be able to trade. When the price reaches 500 Solana, the token is launched and are tradable on an open exchange such as Radium. Let's click on a token. Here we can buy and sell without the risk of getting scammed. Important to know is that all the tokens on Moonshot do not migrate to Radium and therefore is only tradable to the investor trading on Moonshot. To buy and sell, simply use the menu below. The slippage should be low when the price stands still, and there is not many buyers and sellers. 5% or less is okay. I will tell you more about slippage in another guide. To access the homepage, simply click the Dexscreener icon. Click download the app if you want to use Dexscreener in your mobile phone. Alchemist. Now I know how to navigate Dexscreener. See you soon again /Cryptonite.